Alright, welcome to MERN Stack Series episode 20. And in this series, we will move to Redux from React. React and Redux is a kind of very flexible compiler and very great compiler, and the combination of these two is really great performance and really great coding standard. Redux is a kind of React. Redux is a kind of JavaScript, something like coding good habits, something like the data structure, good data structure for the JavaScript, like this. Okay, and let me introduce about Redux flow. In Redux, we have view, action, reducer, and store. Okay, the first thing, in the first time, in the component data mode, maybe we need to get data from store and input something like data from the store, and this view is initial data can get from store. And then if something update in view, maybe like something like click or change or like this, okay, it's going to the action. And in action, we need to get data from that ages, something like the ASOS codes need to write or going to the server and get the data, and it push to the reducer. In the reducer, we need to check which event coming from the action, and then reducer go to the store. Something like reducer save data to the store. Action give data to the reducer, and reducer save data to the store. Store is something like this, one big JavaScript object, and it's combination of all objects into the one, and that what we need in the view. So the advantage is store can manage which views need only what data like this, and then the data can be get in one time, and in the next time if data is already exist, we need to get from the database. That only we need if we would like to know something changed in the database. Only we need to go to the server. But if we don't need to know about something changes, so we can use the old data from the store. We can get the old data from the store. So it's really amazing, good habit and coding, and you will love it exactly. And I also really love React Redux combination. Okay, we do step React logics. Redux and React simple React logics is a little different. In simple React, if we do something click event or something like this, it's go to the real function and get data and change state. After change state, view also change. It's quite simple. But in Redux logics, as I explained in right here, and Redux is a click event go to the actions, and the actions get data. After get data send to reducer, as I explained right here, action and reducer. Okay, and in the reducer, check condition and send data to store. Something like save data to store. Store, if data is reached to the store, the component can select data from in view. So component can use as this.prop.state.store.data like this. Okay, this is really easy, isn't it? Okay, this is the step for doing Redux. I will show step by step, and it's really easy, you will know. Okay, to get started with Redux, we need to install these dependencies. It can be done in the run line. Let's run this code in our codes. installation finished, and then we need to make a few line of steps. The first thing we need to do is in index.js we do import react. Okay, in index.js this is for Redux. And then the next step is we need to modify to react.render. Okay, react.render function now should be like this. Instead of browser router, we are using provider, something from Redux, and connected router and app like this. Okay. That's all. And then we need to create tool. This is something like one big JavaScript object. This is okay, and then in SRC, let me create a new folder, Redux. And then in Redux folder, we need to create store.js. Store.js should be like this. Okay, let me explain this. This is the apply middleware for the Redux action. If we go to the action, we can check this action can do if the user is odd user or something like this. And then create store. Okay, and compose. This is something like used for debugging developer tools like this. But I am not really used this before. And this is something like reducer. Reducer is this is okay. We need to create reducer now. New folder call reducer. And then is something like the middleware plugin used to allow async transition in Redux actions. And create history is used for the history. Okay, after combination of this, we can create store successfully. That's all. And move to next step. Create reducer SRC and then reducer folder. Okay, let's create post reducer first. Reducer is something like model in Eloquent or in MongoDB, Mongo's model or something like this. Suppose reducer.js and index reducer. Okay, that's all we need. I will explain. This is something like the data of our post component. Our post component contains a post and many post objects and only one post objects like this. Okay, in this action view post action, we need to get many objects, and this is something like storing into the store. This is count from the action. The data count from the actions accept reducer in right here case viewport and accept the data, and the data is stored to the actions. Save to the store like this. It's really awesome. View post is single post and also like this. Continue to the next step. in Reducer, index Reducer is neat because we need to compile all Reducer in this fashion. So in this Reducer, let me create a new file called index.js. Okay, this is the index.js. Okay, what we need to do now, go to the next step. We need to create actions. Of course, we need to create actions in Redux actions folder. In that case is if the project is really big, we need to create multiple actions and need to combine in one index file or something like this. But in this case, this is a really small project, and we can do it only index.js function. Okay, let me create a new folder, actions, and create a new file called index.js. Okay, it's really easy. Can import exos and this is the kind of get post, so we can get post and we need to pass to the reducer. Okay, like this photo, we need to the data pass to the reducer, send to reducer, like this. Okay, and the cache, this is the kind of cache. Okay, whatever, and think move to the next step. That's all. Okay. Oh, we can do now. How easy steps. Okay, so first ranking. We just set up and don't do anything yet. Everyone is filled. Something like this because let me check in our source. My prepare branch is okay, let me check. Oops, okay. That's error all custom time. I think because of things. We haven't this. Nothing changed. Okay, because of this. Okay. Random. Okay, this is because I think because of provider or something. Redux, okay. Might have been not exposed. Okay, system.js. Okay, let me check error and I'll be back now. Okay, as I check, nothing wrong in our code. It's all about the version, and this package version is a little low. What I installed previous is 4.0.8, but when I installed this version 5.0.0 for alpha, and it's working fine now. Okay, let me edit readme file npm install. Okay, that's all. Okay, now our code is working fine. Nothing changed. We didn't do anything, and I hope I will do only in post create edit delete in Redux. Okay, and you can cover this and you can do in all page, isn't it? Okay, to change Redux to post user post create edit delete, let me make in next video. Okay, next video is about user post change to the Redux. Okay, we are now set up are all finished, and we just fix to this just this file. It's really easy, you know. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.